Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. It is an ABC 15 weather action day because we are in for what's likely to be a stormy Saturday. We are also under flash flood alerts, and temperatures will be cooler through the weekend with those rain chances. That flash flood watch in effect for the entire Phoenix metro, all of Maricopa County, portions of Pinal County, and areas across western Arizona through 8 o'clock here this evening. Also notice that Yavapai County under that flash flood watch too, as we are looking at the threat of some heavier rainfall with some of those thunderstorms that move in, and that could lead to flash flooding. So for the Phoenix metro, every city included in that flash flood alert, be extra careful today as those storms start to roll in, especially if we get some of those areas of heavy rain. Flash flooding could certainly develop very quickly, so you'll want to avoid those flooded washes or roadways. We've got a storm system coming in from the west that's interacting with moisture left over from Sergio. Sergio was that tropical system that moved past our state just to the south yesterday. Well, now as that area of low pressure moves in from the west, that's enhancing our storm potential, especially across western and central Arizona today. Really across southern Arizona, we've got that best chance for rain. And then going into tomorrow, that storm system clears, but then another disturbance sinks in from the south, and that will bring a push of cooler air our way by early next week. And it'll keep those rain chances around into early next week too. For today, plan on those rain chances to climb into that high range by mid-morning, and those storm chances will stay elevated through the afternoon into the evening across central Arizona, areas to our northwest, up in Prescott and Kingman, and even up into the Flagstaff area by mid-afternoon, seeing that better chance for thunderstorms. Again, for the valley, our best potential will start after 9 a.m. with the chance for thunderstorms continuing through the afternoon into the evening. Then tonight, we start to drop those storm chances, taper them off, and going into tomorrow, just a slight chance for rain for the valley. Now, storms that develop today will have the potential of producing heavy rain, but there's also a risk for some severe weather. The light green, an indication of where we're just going to see general thunderstorms, but the darker green indicating where we could see some severe thunderstorms, which means that storms could produce damaging winds, and we could also see again that heavy rainfall. Can't rule out some small hail with any storms that develop too, but again, the biggest threat will be that damaging wind threat and the flooding threat. So a stormy Saturday with rain expected. Our rain chances peaking at 80 to 90% here in the valley. Best timing after 9 a.m. through about 7 p.m. Not that we can't see storms outside of that window, but that will likely be our best potential again after 9 a.m. So late morning into the afternoon. Our rainfall amounts could peak around 3/4 of an inch in spots, and we could see some isolated higher amounts in the valley today. So that is why again we've got that flash flood threat. 76 with thunderstorms today, then tomorrow still 76, cool, partly cloudy with just a 20% chance for rain. The best rain potential tomorrow will be off to our east. For the high country, the chance for showers and thunderstorms is there today. Rainfall amounts could end up higher, possibly 1.5 inches in some spots, especially across Yavapai County. So we'll have to watch for that and that threat of flash flooding with those thunderstorms that move in. Then by Sunday, we've got a disturbance again tracking in from the north, and that will help bring some colder air, dropping those snow levels down to around 6,000 feet. So it's possible that Sunday night into Monday morning, we see a few snow showers too in the mix, although amounts looking to remain fairly light. For the valley, a 90% chance for thunderstorms today, down to a 20% chance tomorrow, and then just a 10% chance for rain Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday looking drier for us with mostly sunny skies. A high of 76 in Phoenix today. Will only reach the 70s across western Arizona, upper 60s in Kingman. We're looking at a high of 57 in Heber, and Winslow topping out at 67 degrees. 30-year average high temperature is 90. We're not going to be anywhere near that. We will continue to see those below average high temperatures today with a lot of upper 60s and 70s across the valley today because of those elevated rain chances. Lows tonight cooling off into the 50s to low 60s under partly to mostly cloudy skies. Tonight across the state, our low down to 62 in Phoenix, but down to 50 in Sedona. And we'll see those lows fall into the 40s from Show Low up to Window Rock. That 7-day forecast shows today an ABC 15 weather action day with a 90% chance for thunderstorms. Mid-70s today, mid-70s tomorrow with a slight chance for rain. And then those 70s stick around into early next week too. By Tuesday, a high of just 74 degrees. And then we'll be back in the 80s, but low 80s starting Thursday of next week.